So today I'm conquering my kitchen sink. Now there's something delightful about a gleaming faucet, as you Americans call it. We Brits, we say the tap. Now here's my go-to arsenal for the task. White vinegar, a non-abrasive kitchen cleaner, dish soap, 2 dishcloths, a microfiber cloth, a toothbrush, but today I'm going to use my scrubber. Now using some dish soap and a wet dishcloth, I like to kick things off by giving my kitchen faucet a good soapy wash down, paying attention to every nook and cranny. Next up, addressing the lime scale on the taps, as you can see here, and again here on the handles. By generously spraying with white vinegar on the affected areas and let it sit for about 5 minutes. Once the time's up, a quick scrub with my trusty scrubber takes care of the rest. Now onto the sink. Using a non-abrasive cleaner and a damp cloth, I like to work my way around, ensuring a thorough clean of all areas. Now for those opting for a scouring pad, make sure it's a non-scratch one to avoid any unwanted marks on your stainless steel sink. A good rinse wraps up this base. Now to banish any lingering kitchen drain smells, I turn to the dynamic duo of baking soda or soda crystals with white vinegar. Now, if you want a more detailed guide, check out the next video at the end. Next up, using a microfiber cloth, I buff up the entire sink, removing any watermarks. A kitchen sink that not only sparkles, but also radiates. Now, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more future videos like this one.